Welcome back to the Food Danger. Today, I want to take you on a journey back in time. Back when our African ancestors cooked with nothing but firewood, long before gas stoves, electric burners, and modern cookware, the heart of the African home was the firewood kitchen, a warm, smoky space where stories, flavors, and family were fused together. Allow me to introduce you to this native river soup shared among the Ogoni tribe and the Eleme tribe. This soup is called Kposaa Eeh in Gokana, Akpoyhian Eeh in Khana, and Okwoyinsorghu in Eleme. It is a traditional vegetable soup made by pounding steamed vegetables, usually ugu, into a smooth paste. Our ancestors believed that the flavor of food cooked with firewood was a gift from the earth itself. The wood came from specific trees, palm trunks, iroko branches, or bamboo stems, each believed to hold its own energy. Many cooks believe that using wood from strong trees brought strength, health, and prosperity into the home. It was said that the fire reveals the heart of the cook. If the flames danced too widely, it meant your spirit was unsettled. If the fire burned steady and slow, the food was blessed. Now, to show you a little bit of what to do with the vegetable, you're going to pluck the vegetable from the base. Okay, make sure not to include the stem. Okay, you're going to pluck it, put it in a big wash basin or in the sink and wash it thoroughly. Wash it very well to remove all the sand and dirt. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Join this amazing family, the Food Ninja family. For this special delicacy, we'll be doing it the traditional way. We'll be cooking this soup with firewood. So you want to go on your tripod stand, your firewood stand, or whatever you have, with a pot and just add a little bit of water. So once the water starts boiling, you want to go ahead and add your vegetables in the pot. So you're going to cover this vegetable and let it steam for just 5 minutes. Remember, you don't want to take away all the nutrients. You just steam it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, your vegetable is ready. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to transfer this vegetable into your mortar. And that's when the pounding starts. So you're going to pound these vegetables until they are so soft and so smooth. You're going to pound it pretty much into a paste. After pounding, you're going to set it aside and then you're going to continue with the cooking. By the time you're done pounding, your vegetable should look like this, smooth, very smooth. So that's how your vegetable should look like. It should look very, very smooth, like a paste, a puree, like baby food. It should look very smooth. Let's go over everything we have here. We have the beef, the calf skin, the snail, the oysters, the shrimp, the sea snail, which is the same as ngolo or mboro. So this is how you clean it. You take out that eyelid and you take out whatever is on the back, like so, and then that's it. That's how you clean it. So after cleaning, you're going to set it aside. You're going to wash it and then you set that aside for the main cooking. So you're going to do the same thing with the shrimp. You're going to clean the shrimp, you pretty much clean and prep everything you have, and set everything aside, because you're not going to steam all this seafood. The only thing you're going to steam is the cow skin, the dry fish, and then the beef. Those are the only things you're going to steam. You don't have to steam the shrimp and all this other stuff. These are seafood. They are so fresh. They take like less than 5 minutes to cook, so you don't have to. So you go ahead and wash the blue crab, because we're going to be cooking this blue crab with the shell. So you're going to wash it until it is completely clean. So after washing, you're going to line up all your ingredients. You have the oysters, the sea snail, the cow skin. You have your fresh pepper, your onions, your washed blue crab, the sea snail, the shrimp, the dry fish. You're going to arrange everything, and then the periwinkle. Okay, don't forget the cotton periwinkle. So you're going to steam, like I said, you're going to steam just the dry fish, the cow skin, and the beef. Okay, steam those until they are completely soft or tender to bite. So this is how you're going to cut your periwinkle. You're going to cut it, take off some of the eyelid, and then that's it. You're going to wash it. Wash it very well, because periwinkles, they're picked by the river bank, the muddy side of the river. So they come with a lot of mud and dirt on it. So you have to wash them very well to remove all the sand, the dirt, and the mud, everything. You see, you wash it until the water is completely clear. Okay. So after steaming the beef and the other stuff, you're going to go ahead and add the crab to the pot, because those don't take long to cook. Okay. Add the pepper and the onions. Go in with the snail, the already washed snail. You're gonna add the ngolo, or the sea snail. Add the shrimp. So from here on out, everything is just express. Okay, so those are the oysters. You're gonna add the oysters. Add some salt. You're going to go in with your cotton periwinkle. This soup is so rich. The other name for this soup is hemoglobin. This soup is packed with vitamins. It is natural blood tonic. If you eat this soup twice every week, trust me, you don't need no blood tonic. So this is a vegetable from before, so we're going to go ahead and add it now. So that's going to be like the last thing we'll add. Okay, we're going to add the vegetable. Don't worry, you think the vegetable is small, but don't worry, it's going to be enough. So add everything. So once you add the vegetables, just 1 minute, at most 2 minutes, this soup is ready, because you don't want to overcook the vegetables. So you just want to go in with some palm oil, and then this soup right here is ready. This soup is ready. This blood tonic, this hemoglobin syrup is ready. Oh my goodness, look at that soup. There you go, guys. This delicacy is ready. So delicious, so nutritious, super tasty. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, drop your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about this native river soup? Let me know in the comment section below and let's chat. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.